In today's video, I will walk you through how to insert a table in an Outlook email. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. You can access Microsoft Outlook through its official website or desktop app, and once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard where emails are created and managed. Start by signing in on the Microsoft Outlook page. Click the Sign In button, enter your email and password, then select Next. Once you reach the dashboard, go to the top left corner and click New Mail to open a new email draft. Click inside the body of the email where you want the table to appear. Then move to the ribbon at the top of the draft. For the first method, stay in the Message section and click the three dots on the far right. From the menu, select Table, then choose the number of rows and columns to insert it into your email. For the second method, switch to the Insert section in the ribbon. Click the table icon, then select your rows and columns. The table will be added directly into the email body. Both methods let you quickly insert a table into your Outlook email, and that's how you do it in Outlook.